In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable Tracker using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This will give you a clean space to create the tracker from scratch. Once the chat is open, paste in a clear prompt that tells Claude exactly what you want to build in Airtable. Use this prompt, create a tracking system directly in my Airtable using the integration. Build a main table with fields for name, category, status, priority, owner, notes, and dates. Include progress tracking, simple workflow, and ensure everything is fully configured and ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate the setup through the Airtable integration. The goal here is to create a ready-to-use tracker automatically, with the main structure already in place. This can save time and help you avoid building every field manually. Next, open Airtable and go to your workspace. In your workspace, look for the newly created base that contains the tracker. Once you find it, open it and review the layout that was generated. Go into the main table and confirm that all the expected fields are there. You should see fields for name, category, status, priority, owner, notes, and dates. If progress tracking or workflow-related fields were added, make sure those are included as well. Then check that the key fields are set up properly. Review the status field to make sure it supports the workflow you need. Check the priority field and confirm it is easy to update. Look at the owner field and make sure it can be used to assign responsibility clearly. Also verify the date fields so they are ready for tracking deadlines, updates, or other important milestones. Once the structure looks correct, start adding data. Enter a few items into the tracker so you can test how it works in practice. Add names, categories, statuses, and any notes that help organize the records. This will help you confirm that the table is practical and easy to use. As your items move forward, update the status and any related details. You can change priorities, assign owners, add notes, and adjust dates as progress happens. Keeping these fields updated will make the tracker much more useful over time. Finally, monitor the tracker regularly. Review the records to follow progress, spot changes, and keep everything organized in one place. A simple review process will help you make the most of the system Claude created for you. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.